Hi guys, today I'm teaching all you about plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is just an outer particle of the cell. See, you can see here. See, this part is plasma membrane, which is up. Okay, this part is plasma membrane. So you know that plasma membrane it's a microscopic organelle of a cell. It's a microscopic organelle of a cell. This is the structure of plasma membrane of a cell. It's a phospholipid bilayer. It's a phospholipid bilayer of plasma membrane. It has many phosphates. So there are many phosphates in it. Every living cell is externally covered by transparent, elastic and semi-permeable membrane called plasma membrane of a cell. This is a semi-permeable cell. Semi-permeable outer layer or outer covering of a cell which has this like structure. Now I'm going to show and explain how each structure works. So this is the diagram of plasma membrane. So this you can see like globules and how they have like small thread like down leg-like things here. So these globules are called hydrophilic globules. These are two layers. So these are hydrophilic globules, means they love water. They take in water and they expand. They move with the cell. This is a layer which separates cell from extracellular particles. Okay. This is a layer which separates extracellular particles from intracellular particles of a cell. This is just an organ, and this is hydrophilic globules. So this is a hydrophilic globules which loves water. So this intakes water, and this part is the fatty acids are hydrophobic, means it hates water. So this is a hydrophobic, this tail-like strands. It's a fatty acid, so it hates water. So it hates water. So it hates water. This hydrophobic strands which hates water. So this hates water. And here, this, you see this region I have drawn something different. So this is cholesterol which is present in it. If a person or an animal or human having more of this, which covers whole layer, means he has more of cholesterol. It's a steroid. It's first of all, cholesterol is a steroid, and these have proteins inside them. So first protein, this you can see tunnel shaped like thing. Proteins, these are made up of proteins and phospholipids. So this is a whole of this whole is a phospholipids. So lipids, mind it. Lipids means fats. Okay, and this layer is there, in this you can see this protein. Okay, this is a protein, tunnel shaped protein, having protein it has. So this plasma membrane has protein out here, and this extegral protein it has, and it also, these globules have carbohydrates on them like this. They have like this on that globules. They are like this. So carbohydrates are so important for us. This is present in layer, and it's first of all, it's a fat. Carbohydrate is a simpler form of fat. fat. It's a simpler form of fat. And here, proteins. So it's integral protein we have, and we have extegral proteins, and we have extegral and integral proteins. People may ask that why are proteins present or hit? Because proteins are present in cell, which gives, and it's semi-permeable, so it blocks the way. So it blocks the way of this cell. So it blocks the way of extracellular particles to come in or here. So extracellular particles must not come inside, so it blocks the way. If this is not present, the all virus, whatever bacteria, virus which are so microscopic, they can come and infect a cell. Okay, cell. It's just a layer covering a cell. It has many microtubules, microfilaments, which I am not written here, but it's a fluid mosaic model of this plasma membrane found by skin, and it has a process of osmosis. It takes phagocytosis and pinocytosis. As you know, amoeba has phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Phagocytosis is nothing but taking in the solid particles inside the cell. Like amoeba takes a bacteria and digests the bacteria and lives out the waste or excretion outside. And pinocytosis, as we drink water, it also takes fluids like many sugars, fructose, glucose, like those sugars and all it takes. The sugar which takes inside the amoeba is called pinocytosis. It works on osmosis. So it's a semi-permeable. It is hypotonic solution with concentrated many acids are there present here. There are many acids and everything. So I conclude this by saying that it's a biphospholipid layer which acts like a security guard, or it covers the cell, the whole cell, and it protects the cell. Thank you. Please share. I don't need subscription and I don't need likes also.